I made fun of my sister's husband's name. It all started with a joke. My sister Emma had just married Matt. He was perfect for her. Smart, caring, funny, except for one thing. His name, Murdoch. I couldn't resist poking fun. Every time I saw him, I'd laugh. What's up, Murdoch the Destroyer? Or are you a superhero, Murdoch? It felt harmless to me, just a silly joke. But Emma didn't find it funny. I could see her discomfort growing each time, but I brushed it off. Until one night at dinner, she finally snapped. You know, it really hurts when you make fun of his name. He's always been insecure about it, she said, barely above a whisper. The silence hit like a brick. Matt's smile disappeared, and for the first time, I saw the deep hurt in his eyes. I froze. I had no idea my teasing had affected him so much. I thought it was just a joke, nothing more. But to him, it was a constant reminder of something he couldn't change, something he had always struggled with. That night, I apologized deeply. And from that moment, I made sure to say his name with respect, Murdoch. Years passed, and after I went through my own struggles, Matt became a constant support for me, treating me like I was more than my past. But somewhere, something shifted. One night, in a rare moment of honesty, I said, I used to have a crush on you. He smiled calmly. I know. And in that moment, everything changed. The weight wasn't mine to carry alone anymore. We were both holding silent burdens. I made fun of my sister's husband's name. It all started with a joke. My sister Emma had just married Matt. He was perfect for her. Smart, caring, funny, except for one thing. His name, Murdoch. I couldn't resist